Hey, how's it going? Before we jump into the content, I just want to take a minute to thank you for stopping by the channel and checking out the content. If you like this content and you want to support more content like it, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also check out the YouTube membership program and cybertrainingpro.com, where I put practice exams and other things that I couldn't put on YouTube. Again, regardless of how you support the channel and my content, I couldn't be more appreciative. Thank you so much, and let's get into the content. Okay, layer one. At the basic level of networks, if we have a computer, we need to plug some kind of cable into it, which we call an unshielded twisted pair, or UTP, from our computer to a network jack or directly into a device like a router that you have at your house. We can also use other types of cabling like copper, fiber optics, or radio waves like Wi-Fi. The idea is that layer one moves the data across the network from the network interface card, or the NIC, on your computer to our destination. Data at layer one is transferred as binary, meaning ones and zeros, and basically the ones have an electric charge and the zeros don't.